Hello from Draw Paint Every Day, and what the heck are we going to get a jar of paint today? So anyway, I got this glass, and I put it in front of that apple. The Apple model still hanging around from yesterday and the day before. So I just sort of patiently went from observation, beginning with seeing the apple through the glass, plus the apple that, emerges from the top of the glass. Although it's behind, started with the rim of the glass, and instead of trying to paint the glass, I painted what you see through the glass, which of course was the apple in that one spot. And then there was like an ink bottle over there. I didn't really mean for that to be in there, but I had to sort of paint it in or hint at it anyway. And there I'm just trying to capture the shape of the glass, but more through observation rather than what I know about painting glass, which, you don't even need a glass to paint that kind of glass. Anyway, so I got this far. I looked a little bit like a glass, and I liked the shadows of the glass. They were pretty accurate. And then I forgot the apple stem that should really bring it all together, but instead, I don't know if it really brought it all together, but at least I did indicate the stem there, try to fix up that one shadow that's between the apple and all, and there it is from a distance, and trying to show you what I saw, and I don't know, okay, great, another addition to Jar Paint Every Day. Ta-da! I know there's a distance shot.